So, my people, as I have promised that today on the 27th of May, I'll be giving away EUSBs to my lucky followers. YouTube ngubani oziwineleyo 5 4 3 2 1 boom Lungile Dlamini, you are the lucky winner for YouTube. Comment what so uzwinele USB, I'll be in touch. Let's look for TikTok. Ngubani oziwinele ku TikTok. TikTok ku Facebook asizunikeza mtu because things are not going well there. I don't think anyone deserves to get EUSB from abantu baka Facebook. They are not supporting me at all. Let's see for YouTube, for TikTok. Ubani oziwineleyo. Come on. Start. Come on. Start. Ngaba nguwe noma nguwe na. 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 boom! Shakalipa, you are the lucky winner for USB. I can't wait. I'll be in touch with the winners. If I win, sorry. Next time.